balik na naman tayo sa Mindanao para bumisita sa isa na namang kakaiba na probinsya. Pero para makarating sa ating destinasyon, kailangan natin dumaan sa Zamboanga. O ready na ba kayo? Tara na! Welcome back to NSTV Travel Vlog. So, nandito ulit tayo sa Mindanao. Last time, we were at Sulu. If you missed that episode, we put the link up here. That was actually the time that parte pa ng Bangsang Dambar o Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, ang Sulu. This time, we're in another BARM area, which is Lamitan City. Kung hindi niyo alam, ang Lamitan City ay nasa Basilan. Bet ko marami sa inyo hindi pa nakakapunta dito, kaya tara na, let's explore the place and find out kung ano magagandang spots dito sa Lamitan City. Let's go! Pero bagong lahat, daan muna tayo sa punong lungsod ng Lamitan kay Mayor Oric Furigay bilang pasasalamat na rin sa kanilang imbitasyon. Sinerte pa tayo at nakapagkwentuhan tayo kasama ang alkalde. Okay, nandito tayo sa ating first stop, ang Bulingan Falls. Ito na yata ang pinakasikat na attraction dito, or ecotourism spot dito sa Lamitan City. And you will find out why. But to explain more, let me call on their local tourism office representative, si Kong. Kong!
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Tell us more about Bulingan Falls.
Yes, Bulingan Falls po sir. Kakaiba yung falls na to because of its unusual rock formation. So kumbaga parang mag-ikot ka man ng buong Pilipinas, bihirang-bihira ka makakakita ng ganito. Then pag nandito ka kasi sa Lamitan City, parang pag hindi mo napuntahan itong falls na to, parang hindi kompleto yung pag-visit mo ng Lamitan eh. Kumbaga pag sinabi mong Lamitan talaga is Bulingan Falls eh. Ganon eh.
So kitang-kita na naman, unique talaga yung structure para sa pagdaanan, no?
Yes po.
Na iba-ibang levels.
Yes.
And ang ganda ng timing natin kasi
ang ganda ng tubig.
Makita mo yung agos ng tubig at the same time ma-appreciate mo pa rin yung swimming pool.
Yes po.
So very popular din to sa mga locals.
Yes po, po. Actually pagka ganito, tingnan nyo naman hindi pa siya weekends ngayon pero ang dami nang naliligo. So what more pag weekends, talagang punuan po tong falls na to. Opo. So narinig nyo na sa ating tourism expert. Kung gusto nyo pumunta dito na walang tao, weekdays. Pag medyo gusto nyo marami tao, weekends. But definitely, this is a stop you should make when in Lamitan City. Tara na! Tara tayo sa next stop. Buti na tsempohan namin kayo dito, Engineer Kay. Balita namin na marami kayong kinalaman dito sa pagtayo ng lugar na napakaganda. Tell us more, paano nag-umpisa to? Ano yung concept behind it? Anong plano nyo sa
ang plano dito sa Lamitan City Tulip Garden?
Okay po. It all started during the implementation of the solid waste management of Lamitan City. So sa implementation ng solid waste, meron tayong mga segregation at source. So sinesegregate namin yung mga iba't ibang klase ng basura. So nakataon, we installed several segregation boxes sa Lamitan City. And we come up na marami talagang plastic na collect namin. So, from that volume, parang naisip namin, anong gagawin natin with this plastic, since hindi naman yun matutunaw or whatever. So, ito na ang naging parang okay, we'll do something na yung malaki talaga para mapansin ng mga tao na, kasi kung gagawa tayo ng structure na maliit lang, para wala lang yan. So, we come up to, what if gagawa tayo ng design na ganito kalaki? So, it started last September 2019 pa po ito na
Or
open.
before the pandemic?
Yes,
okay.
before the pandemic.
Okay.
Tapos, naging trendy na rin siya, and then nag-stop during the pandemic time. But we did not stop. We continue to collect the plastics, and then kaya hanggang ngayon, nasa 60,000 pieces po ito.
Wow.
So, it started from 27,000 lang yung upon opening, tapos ngayon nasa 60 na. So lahat, kung makikita ninyo, lahat yan basura lang yan. From this pathway, meron yan mga shredded plastic, nakabaon with the cement, sand, tapos ito na siya, pathway na.
Galing, talaga wala kayo
Opo, walang, tapos itong mga fence namin, ano pa namin yan, mag-a-add pa, i-full namin yan with plastic bottles. Tapos i-color lang din namin na yung bagay para dito.
You know what's surprising to me is, yung sabi nyo, kino-collect ninyo yung mga plastics, no? Kasi hindi na biodegradable yan, ano? Buti naman nagsisegregate sila sa city, so it's easy to collect also.
Yes po.
So it tells also a lot about the people of, diba, Lamitan City.
Cooperation.
Yeah. Ang galing. I mean, other cities, other bigger cities, have been trying to do something like this, and kayo, you have the cooperation of the city. So, dito sa Tulip Garden, obviously this alone is an attraction. What else can they do here?
Okay, dito sa park, meron tayong bicycle lane, doon banda. Then we also highlight yung Queen of Rose, sabi nila, yung giant rose. That's in honor of our late mayor, Rose Purigay. But we are lucky that naibigay namin o na-present namin yan, yung buhay pa siya. So nakita niya, so parang mayor para sa iyo talaga yan. And then we also have our botanical garden. Then meron kaming mga farm animals dyan na itik, yung sampen na native chicken, range chicken, meron kami. And then ito ngayon dito sa Tulip Garden, meron kaming pinopropose na parang artificial pond na pwede tayong magra-raft.
Congratulations, engineer.
Thank you.
Oh, very nice. Galing na mga ginagawa ninyo. Ngayon naman, daan tayo sa isa sa mga maraming weaving centers ng Lamitan. Bukod sa pagkakaloob ng hanap buhay, paraan din ito para maibahagi ng mga Lamitenyos ang kanilang kultura. Oh, this is Yale Green's High Tune Max 5C wireless headphones. I really enjoy bringing this whenever I do travel, and these are the reasons why.
Number 1. Enjoying the ultimate high-resolution sound. With LDAC audio decoding technology, these headphones give me the most realistic and clear sound effects. Number 2. Say goodbye to noise. Ugreen wireless headphones provides an immersive, personal audio experience thanks to its A-level adaptive noise cancellation technology. Number 3. They're very comfortable to wear even for long use. Ugreen noise cancellation headphones at 260 grams is lighter than most headphones, and the earmuffs are made of skin-friendly protein leather, which is soft and elastic, which protects your ears from damage. Number 4. It's fast charging but can last you for hours. The over-ear headphones can be fully charged in just 1.5 hours, with a long battery life from 45 to 75 hours use.
It even comes in black. If you want to know more or order, check out the Shopee and Lazada links in the description box below. Now back to the vlog.
I'm driving down a one-way road with a dead end up ahead, no way out. I'm staring at the blue skies out the window while you're somewhere lost in the...
Good morning, it's day 2 here in Lamitan City. Kahapon marami na tayong napuntahan, mga lugar. Napakaganda talaga dito. Pero today, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-ikot natin. Matutuklasan pa rin natin ang mga ibang bagay na kaaya-aya dito sa Lamitan City. So tara na, let's do this! Andito na tayo sa ating first stop, ang rubber plantation. Hindi nyo na itatanong, rubber ang isa sa mga main products ng agriculture dito sa Lamitan City. So kasama ko ulit si Kong na mag-explain paano ang proseso at paano ang pagkuha ng rubber.
So okay, good morning po. So dito po tayo sa rubber plantation. So ito po yung pinaka-main agricultural product namin sa Lamitan City. So ito po yung rubber tree. So itong rubber tree po, ang kinukuha po sa kanya is yung kanyang dagta. Opo. So dito po nanggagaling yung ating mga rubber sa dagta po ng rubber tree. So bali ang ginagawa po nila, tinatapping po nila ito, yan ganyan, na medyo manipis lang. Basta may lumabas lang po na dagta. Tapos ito na yung parang iniipon nila. Opo. So parang papatigasin yan. Opo, saka yan ibebenta.
So okay na tayo dito sa rubber plantation. May natutunan na naman tayong bago. Punta naman tayo sa ating next stop. Let's go!
And I cannot think and it's all for nothing.
Ito ang panyam, isa sa mga delikatesa na ng Yakan. Titikman natin, masarap daw.
Dula dito kami nagatikman.
Parang siyang pancake.
Harap?
Masarap. Masarap ka.
And I cannot think and it's all for nothing.
Ngayon naman, silipin natin ang kanilang museo para naman mas maintindihan natin ang kasaysayan at kultura ng mga Yakan.
What's down this road? Oh, I don't know. Got a good feeling. Make our way, we're not afraid. Yeah, we will dive right in. Take the step, it sets you free. If we go further, we can see the forest through the trees. Good things take time. I know, it's a long ride. Let's go, let's go. Oh, 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 oh,
Napakaganda talaga ng Lamitan. Pero biyahe ulit tayo. Ngayon naman, pupunta tayo sa karatig na syudad.
We were on our way to nowhere. The spark had turned to ember for you and me.
So, nagpaalam na tayo sa mga kaibigan natin sa Lamitan City. Ngayon naman, nandito tayo sa Isabela. Yan, no? Kita mo naman yung hashtag nila. Hap Isabela, meaning maganda o mabait na Isabela, or double meaning, Happy Isabela. Masayang Isabela. So, tara, let's start our journey and find out how great and happy these people are here. Let's go!
I still feel you. The fire has left me cold now, 'cause I can't breathe you. I still feel you, and I still feel you. And diamonds turn to cold now, 'cause I can't see you. I can't help but remember your smell on my sweater. It's like I'm lost in a moment, carefree. But now I'm coming off a bender. How naive to think forever. But when I picture your smile, I still believed. I still feel you. I still feel you. The fire has left me cold now, 'cause I can't breathe you. I still feel you, and I still feel you. And diamonds turn to cold now, 'cause I can't see you. I remember seeing your breath in that cold December air. After all the things you said, how can you no longer care? These memories are unfair. This cruel December air, I still feel you. I still feel you. The fire's left me cold now, 'cause I can't breathe you. And I still feel you. I still feel you. The fire's left me cold now, 'cause I can't breathe you. And I still feel you. I still feel you. The fire's left me cold now, 'cause I can't breathe you. And I still feel you. I still feel you.
Boulevard Street Food.
Cold now, 'cause I can't breathe you. And I still feel you. I still feel you.
Happy Isabela, mabuhay! I am Claudio M. Ramos II, the City Tourism Officer of the Happy City of Isabela de Basilan here in Mindanao. So we would like to invite everyone to come visit here at our beautiful island province Basilan. If you want to experience a new exciting adventure, what are you waiting for? Come and visit us. You will experience beautiful pristine white sand, good food, and above all, the amazing smile and warmth of our people. So what are you waiting for? Visit us now and see you soon.
Good morning! So it's day 3 here in Isabela City. As promised, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ikot natin. So ngayon naman, pupunta tayo sa, sabi nga natin, dalawa sa pinakakilalang spots dito for tourists in Isabela. Tara na! Let's go!
Dito sa Isabela de Basilan.
Blacktop memories in the sun. Got my lawn chair unfolded out in the front. This fresh air, cool breeze in my lungs. It's all that I want. This year in my mind, see the world passing by with my head in the sky. I'm so unattached, I can't back. I need a minute, take a shot of caffeine till I hit a limit. I'm feeling high all the time.
So we finally made it here. Isa sa pinakasikat na beach or resort dito sa Basilan, no? Sa Isabela in particular. Ito yung kilala dati bilang Malamawi Beach Resort. Ngayon, ang tawag sa kanya, Pahali Resort. Magandang lugar na to. I mean, look at the beach. Look at the water, turquoise blue. Habang lumalalim, nag-iiba pa yung shades niya. Dito naman sa sand, makikita mo, lalaban to sa Boracay, powdery fine. Talagang pinong-pino, tapos ang puti, no? And just in case you want to know, you can actually stay the night here. I'm just so glad, grabe, nakapunta kami dito kasi sobrang ang ganda talaga. You can just see, tinan nyo.
This year in my mind, see the world passing by with my head in the sky. I'm so unattached, I can't back. I need a minute, take a shot of caffeine till I hit a limit. I'm feeling high all the You put the wind in my sails from the moment I saw you, and every fear all disappeared when I looked in your eyes. You set a fire in my
So that's it. Grabe. Napakagandang weekend naging ang nangyari sa atin dito sa Basilan. Swerte tayo, hindi lang isa, kundi dalawang syudad o city ang napuntahan natin. First and foremost, Lamitan. Before anything else, napakaganda talaga ng mga tanawin doon. Sana marami pang makapunta. Sana marami pang maka-appreciate ng mga natural ninyo ng mga attractions. Pati na rin yung rubber, no? Kami, ngayon lang namin nalaman na yung pala pinaka-main agricultural product ninyo. Papasalamat kami kay Mayor Oric, free guy. Grabe yung pag-host ninyo, pati yung team ninyo sa LGU, pati ito sa Tourism Office, ibang klase. Maraming salamat. Special mention din syempre yung mga sumama sa amin habang umiikot kami. Si Kuya Rene, Sir Rene, maraming salamat. Syempre, andyan na rin si Jory at ang aming pinaka-official tour guide, si Kong. Maraming salamat, Kong. Hinatid pa nila kami all the way to Isabela. Pagdating naman sa Isabela, ang gusto namin pasalamatan dahil inikot talaga nila kami sa napakadaming lugar na worth puntahan. Hindi lamang dahil maganda, kundi grabe yung mararamdaman mo at ma-witness mo ang kultura nila. Siyempre, sa pangunguna ni City Tourism Officer Claudio Ramos II. Sir, maraming salamat at pagsama nyo sa amin sa unang araw, kay Val at pangalawang araw, kay Mark. Sabi namin sa inyo, babalik kami dahil bitin na bitin kami talaga. We are out. Hopefully, maraming maka-realize kung gaano kaganda ang Isabela at ang Lamitan. No? So with that, we hope you enjoyed the vlog as much as we did filming it. Kung nag-enjoy kayo, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment na rin kayo kung ano tingin nyo sa episode, anong paborito ninyo, at kung may suggestions kayo kung saan kami pwede pumunta sa susunod. So yun, on behalf of Bobby, maraming salamat sa pagpanood. This is Herbie of NSTV Travel Vlog. See you at the next stop.
And every fear all disappears when I look in your